Hi, this is Chinmayi. I have been trying very hard to figure out if I can actually get to work with false eyelashes, and this is my attempt to work with magnetic eyelashes, and let me take you right in with all my fumbling and the bumblings. During this time. Ugh. It definitely looks like a reindeer's face for me. So my cameraman is complaining that my eyes are not looking as bright-eyed and bushy-tailed as I should, but I am still getting over jet lag, and by the time I think this video shows up, it will be quite a while, but until then please adjust. So anyway, the product that I am going to be talking to you about, I picked up at a local CVS pharmacy in the US, and this is the Ardell, okay, one of them fell down, okay, Ardell magnetic lashes double demi wispies and with a magnetic lash applicator. So how this works is that I am supposed to first place them in this particular lash applicator tool, and the point is this particular place where it says Ardell, where the logo is, should always face up and face towards me. So I am going to try and place the lashes on this and see how I go about doing this. Okay, come on, help me out here. Okay, that's done. This is going to take 15,000 years. I am sweating by the time this is done. Okay, I am sure Radha will find a lot of interesting stuff to use from this. I realize that I am aging by the time I use this lash applicator. They make it so easy, they make it look so easy in that video. But anyway, so this is the end that will go closer to my inner corner, and this is the one that will go closer to the outer corner. So I am just going to try and use this with my hands alone. This is clearly not working for me. Okay, since this is going this way, let me see if it is in this eye. Okay, this is more aligned to my left eye, I think, because it clearly says left and right, and I must have messed it up during this time. Okay, this is clearly not working for me. Somebody is going to call. I hope this is at least entertaining for you, because this is not working. Maybe finally I have figured something in this life. Let us see. I think I figured this out, and I find my puppy's hair in between. Okay, let's see how I do this. I think in the video they say place the lower lash first and then try and align the upper lash. So let's see. No, this is not working. This just doesn't work. Clearly I am a dummy and this doesn't work even for me. But as soon as I just clip it down on the lash applicator tool, it just comes together. But for me, no, it doesn't come. I thought it will make my life easy. Maybe it will work for dummies like me, but it doesn't. If you are a newbie to this, you are going to have a tough time. If you are a lot more intelligent than I am, please let me know how you made this Ardell magnetic lashes thing work along with this lash applicator tool, because it clearly does not work for me. Okay, well, that's money down the drain. That's that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.